We should be coming to the market to not place trades and wait for price to actually give us the perfect setup that aligns with our rules. What's up guys, welcome back to another live session with me and let's get into it. So my bias for this session is mixed, but let me tell you why it's mixed. Like I'm not convinced for bullish or bearish. So today I'm just going to be observing the price. My bias for the 4 hour is we've been obviously making higher highs, higher lows, but here we've been slowing down a bit. So I'm going to be patient. On the 15-minute, we had a bullish move to the upside, followed by a bearish move, and then we also moved higher. We could see that price here invalidated the bullish Fair Value gap, the move lower. And I was hoping that we're going to open the Fair Value gap, the bearish Fair Value gap to head lower, but price actually ended up respecting this bullish Fair Value gap on ES, which caused the price to move higher. So right now I don't have a clear bias, but right now what we need is for a Fair Value gap to open up. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's fine. I'm not here to trade. I'm here to follow my rules, like you all should be doing. So yeah, we'll see what happens and let's wait to market open. For news, we've got 10 a.m. only. We've got all day total vehicle sales as well. But yeah, it's only 10 a.m. news. Okay, market open. Strong move to the downside, or ES is still bullish. Yeah, ES is really bullish. Okay, ES is moving higher and Q is moving lower. Miscorrelation of price or of two assets. Yeah, ES is bullish. Well, NQ is bearish, so looks like we're not going to be trading, which I'm fine with. Yeah, today order flow for me is it's not clear at all today because price, first of all, on the 4 hour we've been respecting bullish order flow. On the 15-minute we had this consolidation, price disrespecting bullish order flow here, retrace, disrespected this bullish Fair Value gap, and then price is moving lower towards this low, which makes sense for me, but what doesn't make sense is price respecting the 50-minute bullish Fair Value gap, because if the draw was bearish we wouldn't be respecting bullish imbalances. But we're here to learn and not trade when our rules say that we're not supposed to be trading. Like right now I don't see anything clear, so I'm not going to be trading, right? And that's what all of us should be doing, just following the rules, not caring if you want to trade. Actually, we shouldn't be even wanting to be placing trades. We should be coming to the market to not place trades and wait for price to actually give us the perfect setup that aligns with our rules. Because if you think about, oh, I'm going to look for a trade because I want to get closer to pass my account, that's how you mess up your psychology, because you're not looking at your rules. You're not following your risk management and you're just disobeying your edge. So you're gambling. You shouldn't even want to be doing that. Without rules, your edge is impossible to repeat. So if you win once and then you win again, you think you're doing a good thing, right? But if you take 100 trades with no rules, you're pretty much doing different things every trade, right? You're not following your rules. You don't have a repeatable and proven strategy. You can't prove to me that, oh, what's your strategy? Oh, it's just my intuition. Like you can't prove to me that you're profitable. Yeah, you can be lucky, you can win trades, yeah, anyone can win trades by placing them blindly. But over the long term, I doubt that you'll be profitable if you don't follow your rules. And I stand by that. Okay, price retrace into the bullish Fair Value gap. Let's see what happens. Is this Fair Value gap in discount? Yes, it is. Let's see if price wants to open the bearish Fair Value gap here, but it doesn't look like it on the ES. Price is just forming a doji candle. Okay, we do get clear change in the state. And also an inverse Fair Value gap. And we get retraced into a bullish Fair Value gap. So if I would be bullish, I would take the trade here. Let's mark it actually, let's see what happens. The fact I'm not bullish here is because I'm getting confused by this big move, like move up and down. Order flow is not being efficient here. We just disrespected bullish order flow and then disrespected bearish order flow by having the move higher, right? We invalidate bullish order flow, we retrace, and then we respect the bullish Fair Value gap, which confuses me quite a bit. So yeah, I'm not going to be trading. I'm going to be learning actually from this price action because I want to understand what it's showing me. Plus this bullish fair value gap is in discount as well. So yeah, we'll see. This would be the marked trade, yeah. Standard deviation is aligned with the draw, with the buy-sell liquidity. Price respecting bullish order flow on the S. We retrace into bullish fair value gap on NQ. Respect the bullish fair value gaps. Let's see if price wants to hit the draw, the buy-sell liquidity level on the S. Yeah, such a strong move. Like price is respecting bullish order flow. But fine with not taking this trade. Bias for me was unclear, so I'm only observing. I'm fine with that. Got a bearish SMT on the ES. So if I would have taken this trade, I would have placed my stop loss at break even. Let's see if we can get a final push to the upside. And take profit would have been here. This model is now complete. But yeah, the reason I didn't take this model is because bias for me today was unclear. We've been slowing down, we've been moving around in this range. We didn't sweep any sales liquidity before moving higher. We invalidated this bullish fair value gap. Price moved lower. Before market open, price respected the bullish fair value gap. But then after market open, price retraced into the same one actually on NQ and then moved higher. I spotted a bullish model on the 15-second time frame, which was completed. But yeah, I wasn't feeling confident today, so I didn't place any trades. I'm fine with that. I'm happy with marking this trade actually. I'm happy with following my rules, not chasing the trade, definitely. And yeah, I'm gonna go journal this session, and hopefully you guys followed your rules. And I'll see you in the next one.